I was excited to learn that my FreeStyle Libre 2 system allows me to use optional glucose alarms to let me know when my glucose is high or low. Using the alarms can be a helpful way to better manage my diabetes.
The FreeStyle LibreLink app will alert you with a notification using a sound, a vibration, or both the minute your glucose goes above or below the level you set. To get glucose alarms on your smartphone with the FreeStyle LibreLink app, you will first need to start your FreeStyle Libre 2 sensor with your smartphone. Be sure to turn on Bluetooth wireless technology on your smartphone before starting a new FreeStyle Libre 2 sensor. When your smartphone and your sensor are within 6 meters, they will automatically communicate to give you low and high glucose alarms if you have turned alarms on. Setting up glucose alarms in the FreeStyle LibreLink app is easy. After opening the app on your smartphone, tap Alarms in the menu. Continue to select Next to get to the next screen. Do Not Disturb mode will prevent you from receiving alarms if you turn on Do Not Disturb on your device unless you allow critical alerts by tapping Next. Confirm allowing the app to send you critical alerts by tapping Allow. There are 3 alarms: low glucose, high glucose, and signal loss. We'll start with the low glucose alarm. On the alarm screen, tap Low Glucose Alarm, which takes you to the next screen. Tap the slider to turn the alarm on. After you've turned on the low or high glucose alarm for the first time, this screen automatically appears to inform you that the signal loss alarm has been turned on. The signal loss alarm lets you know when your sensor is not communicating with your smartphone. Tap OK to get back to the alarm settings screen. Next, we'll set the low glucose alarm level. Tap the arrow to get to the next screen, then scroll up or down to select a low glucose value. My doctor and I have chosen 3.9 millimoles per litre. Once you've chosen your glucose level, tap Save. This will take you back to the screen where you can set your alarm tone. Press the arrow to see your tone choices and choose the one you prefer. Then tap Save. Keep in mind, the sound level on your alarms will follow the volume and vibration settings for your phone. You can also set up your high glucose alarm using the same steps. Make sure you have the FreeStyle LibreLink app running in the background, otherwise you won't receive glucose alarms. If your smartphone is locked, a notification of the alarm will appear on your lock screen. It will indicate your current glucose reading and a trend arrow, indicating where your glucose is going. Tap the notification to open the app and dismiss your alarm. Now you can see your real-time glucose reading automatically displayed in the app. Your glucose data automatically uploads from your smartphone into LibreView, making it easy to share your data with your diabetes management team.
Turning the alarms on is optional. Personally, I find them to be a valuable feature for helping me manage my diabetes.
Learn how to share your glucose data using the FreeStyle LibreLink app in the next video.